everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and well, this is my channel and I am so glad that you have joined me for an unboxing of Fortunately Inspired. This box is a fierce and fun monthly box for personal development and self-care. This box is $45.35 a month, and I am going to tell you a little bit about it. So if I look away, it's because that's where the information is. So this box is the ultimate box for women who rock. It is a fierce and fun monthly box for personal development and self-care. Like I said, we strive to inspire, encourage, and elevate women to pursue their best life. Self-improvement and personal growth should be fun and exciting. If you're seeking to ignite personal change and improvement, trust yourself today. Treat yourself today, I should say. Trust yourself in order the box. And treat yourself in order the box. There. It's popular. You will receive a popular, newly released hardcover book focused on inspiring and encouraging women to pursue their best life. Each box includes 4 to 7 theme-related premium products, indulgent, tasty snacks and treats, comforting and recharging self-care essentials. I will get this right sooner or later. Then you receive fun, trendy accessories and charming surprises exclusively for you. So let's see what I got. Cannot wait. I love the blue and I think that's orange. And then there's all the sides is the Ultimate Women Rock box. And of course there's the bottom. This is how it came to my door today on Monday, September 9th. That is what today is. And here's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, there we are. So we'll move that out of the way, and then I will move these squigglies so you can see what I have going on here. Okay, I got some of them out of the way so we can see what's going on. Okay, here we go. So that is what the top looks like. Let's see what our card says. Just for you, Fortunately Inspired. Shoot and share, take a creative photo of the box and the contents to win a free box next month. Remember to tag us at Fortunately Inspired. Follow us to stay updated on our newest products and exclusive offers. And then this is what I received in my box. So let's see. Right off the top, I have a little keychain. And this is called the Compass Keychain, and its value is $8.59. And on the back it says, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. That is very beautiful. Okay, so there is the north, south, east, and west. And then there's the little saying on the back that I just read to you. It's very pretty. I do like that. Very pretty keychain. Very nice. I like that. That is beautiful. I'm going to put that right on my keychain. Very nice. Okay, and right off the top we have literally a pair woven pair Wild Things socks, and these are $15. Oh, isn't that just so cute? Okay, so here's the front side of the socks, and then on the back side it says thing, and well, it says wild thing. They are super cute. I love those. I absolutely love these. They're so super cute. My dog is looking at my socks like, you're gonna give me them socks. She steals all my socks and runs away and hides them on me. So she's gotta be hands off of them. Okay, and then next is a treat. Organic chickpea puffs, Hippies Sriracha Sunshine. And these are valued at $2.29. Let me try one of these. I want to try one. Just because I'm curious all the time about things. Oh. Okie dokie. Woo! Sriracha. Yep. Okie dokie. Woo, that's spicy. Okay. Next we have Twisted Crafters Woman Up pencils, and these are $3.95. And I love the daggone color of these pencils. Girl, I love the color of these pencils. And it says Woman Up right on the pencil. I am going to have to hide these pencils from everybody. They are amazing pencils. I love them pencils. Oh my goodness, I love them. Okay, and oh my goodness gracious. And I have two of these, and these are Epson Soap. Seriously Shea Stress Less Mini Epson Soap, and these are $7.90, and they are Epsom salt. I think that's what, yep. Natural Epsom salt and essential oils. Jasmine and rosemary. Can't smell it through the bag. But I'm not going to open the bag because I don't want to use them yet. I mean, not in the tub. So. Or putting my feet in the tub. I like the idea of that. I'd like that. Nice. And then what the whole box is about, and you guys are going to love this, is my book. And it is called Bossed Up, A Grown Woman's Guide to Getting Your SHIT Together by Emily Aries. And this is $27. And I'll just show you. Yes. Maybe, just maybe, at the age of 50, yep, that's me, 50, this might happen. I don't know, but maybe after I read this book, it will happen. We're going to see. So on the back, it says, praise for Bossed Up. Emily Aries is not your typical girl boss, and Bossed Up isn't your typical girl power manual. Instead, it's a practical, accessible, and thoroughly feminist guide to getting your priorities in order. Letting go of the personal and cultural expectations that hold us back and succeeding on your own terms. And that is from Jill Filipovic, the author of The H Spot, The Feminist Pursuit of Happiness. And let's see here. On the inside, own your power, know your worth, and design a career and life you love. Young women today face an uncertain job market, the pressure to ascend at all costs, and the all too real risk of burning out. But women can take an assertive role in shaping our careers while investing in our personal sustainability too. Bossed Up shows you how to ditch the matriarch. I can't say that word, and I am looking like a crazy person. Matriarchdom. I can't say it. Oh boy. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. Right. I know what the word means. Okay. There it is. Watch. When I get the video done, you guys are going to be like, oh, now she knows it. Anyway, and get on the path to sustainable success. Hone the self-advocacy skills needed to rise up in our imperfect, biased world. Understand the differences between being assertive and being a community of courage, and learn to lift as you climb. Drawing from the timely research and personal stories and highlighting a diverse group of women from the bossed up community, this book will help you craft a happy, healthy, and purpose-driven career path you'll love. I'm gonna have to read this because I think this is gonna be a good book. And I will show you the author. And there she is. That is the author. I think this is going to be a good book. And that is it for this video. So, my friends, what did you think about this box? This is a different type of box that I normally do. I like this box. I think it's a pretty good box. I'm going to show you. Oh, I forgot my little hippies. I'll put them in there and show you everything that I received in this box. Once again, I don't want to lose my little keychain thing. I'm gonna hook it right on there. Okay, so this is everything that I received in the box. Very nice. I like this box a lot. I feel like this box is going to empower us women way more and help us definitely empower ourselves. So if you would like a little self-help, go ahead and order yourself one of these boxes, because this box is it's just wonderful. I can't wait to get into this book. I got a lot of reading to do, ladies. I gotta go. So that's it, ladies. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and all of you can go ahead and hit the link, head on over there and get yourself one of these boxes, because I'm sure the curator is ready, willing, and able to get you your box as soon as you hit that button. All right, guys, I appreciate every single one of you, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.